In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new feedback form. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Collaboration. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Feedback. From your drop-down menu, select Surveys. You should arrive at a list of your surveys. To add a new one, click the Add button in the upper right-hand corner. If you want to copy a survey's format, you can click the arrow next to Copy and choose one of your current surveys. I'm going to start from scratch, so I'm going to leave this blank. Next, give your survey a name. We'll say Holiday Party Ideas. If you don't want to add this survey, click Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now that new survey has been created. To open that survey, click the survey name, and you should see that survey's details. If I wanted, I could change the name. I can add a header, which is where you would put any explanations for the survey you need to. Maybe I'll put something like, vote for this year's holiday party activities. I could also add footer help. Then decide who you want to have access to this survey. Are you surveying your managers, your employees, or both? I'll go ahead and choose both. Then choose the timestamp. This will be preset to automatic or real time. If you want to choose manual time, click on the arrow and select manual or user entered instead of automatic. I'm going to leave this on automatic. Then you need to select your options. Do you want to allow your recipients to post comments? I don't, so I'm going to leave that blank. Do you want to link your employees' answers to their employee ID? Maybe I do, so I'll click that box. And when your survey is ready for its recipients, choose Enabled. Right now I haven't added my questions yet, so I'm not going to check that box yet. If you're happy with your changes, click Save. And now those changes have been saved. And that's how you can create a survey in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to add questions to this survey.